Good evening, children of class 6. Once again, we are together in our SST class. In my last session, I have completed up till the external forces of landforms. And for that, they are resulting mountains and how they are resulting. Today, we are going to discuss about uh, mountains, different types of mountains. Now, mountains are of mainly three types. Yes, in my last class, I think this point I have mentioned, I've just touched it. Fold mountains, block mountains, volcanic mountains. Now, fold mountains, how they are creating, that also I have told you. The landforms are pushing each other in the opposite direction, and the center part of the land becomes lifted up. And so they are forming mountains, folding mountains. Okay, very first point which you need to clarify yourself is what is a mountain, right? What is a mountain? Mountain kake bole? Mountains are the elevators, natural elevators যেগুলো হচ্ছে নিজের থেকে উঁচু হয়ে গেছে যে জায়গাগুলো। এলিভেটর মানে আমি এর একদিন তোমাদের বলেছিলাম সামথিং দ্যাট ব্রিংস ইউ ডাউন অর আপ। হাই এলিভেটেড ল্যান্ড মানে লম্বা মানে উঁচু উঁচু ল্যান্ড, দ্যাট ইজ মাউন্টেন। হাইয়েস্ট পয়েন্ট অফ দেয়ার এলিভেশন ইজ নোন এজ পিক, মানে এটা যদি মাউন্টেন হয় দিস পার্ট ইজ দ্য পিক। This is the, if this is the mountain, then this is the highest part, so this is the peak. ঠিক আছে, this is the peak at the top. A number of connected mountains that run a line from range, a series of mountain ranges that run parallel to each other make up a mountain system. Mountain system, I can give one example, that is Himalayan ranges. তোমরা দেখেছো, they rise from the north and continuously they are in a line. একটা লাইনে আসে, যদি এরকম করে দেখো, এরকম করে কিন্তু হিমালয়ান রেঞ্জেসগুলো আসে, এখান থেকে শুরু হয় and they come like this, ঠিক আছে, এরকম করে আসেন। This is called mountain system. কেন? Because they are coming in a line, একটা স্ট্রেস নোটে আসছে। এবার three different forms of mountains: fold, block, volcanic. First we will discuss about fold mountains. When two tectonic plates, আমি তোমাদের বলেছি in my previous class that plates are floating on the surface of land, ঠিক আছে, so they are the tectonic plates. এই টেকটনিক প্লেটসগুলো যখন একটা আর একটাকে ধাক্কা মারে, they are pushing moving different, কিন্তু যখন ফোর্সফুলি একজন আরেকজনের ওপর প্রেশার ক্রিয়েট করে তখন অটোমেটিক্যালি দে রাইজ আপ। অ্যান্ড দেখো, একটা সোজা ল্যান্ড যদি প্রেশার এরকম কন্টিনিউয়াসলি অপোজিটে দেয় তাহলে মাঝখানের পোর্শনটা উঠে যাবে, এই যে ফোল্ড হয়ে যাচ্ছে, ওই জন্য দিস মাউন্টেন্স আর কল্ড ফোল্ড মাউন্টেন্স। When two tectonic plates collide মানে ধাক্কা খাওয়া, the land between them gets thrown up in giant folds. Mountains that get formed through this process are known as fold mountains. The upward folds are known as anticlines and the downward curves are known as synclines. যেটা উপর দিকে উঠে যাচ্ছে এটা হচ্ছে anticlines, আর এই যে নিচের পার্টটা, these are called synclines. Clear? আচ্ছা, কিছু কিছু ফোল্ড মাউন্টেন যেমন হিমালয়াস, আল্প, অ্যান্ডস, আরাভালিজ, ইউরালস, রকিজ, দিজ আর অল ফোল্ড মাউন্টেন্স, ঠিক আছে। যদিও আরাভালি, ইউরালস, অ্যাপালাচিনস, they have formed millions and millions of years ago, at the time when the earth was formed, but these mountains they have formed later on. ওই জন্য fold mountains are divided into two parts. One that has formed millions and millions of years ago, those are called old fold mountains, and those fold mountains which are formed newly, very recently, they are called new fold mountains, young fold mountains. তাহলে আমরা কি দেখলাম? Fold mountains are formed because of collision of the tectonic plates. when they collide each other and the central part moves upward. This is called fold mountain. Top of it is called anticlines. Lower part is called synclines. Fold mountains, example, Himalayas, Alps, Aravallis, Andes. Okay, and fold mountains have already been formed in millions and millions of years ago. So, fold mountains are divided into two parts, old fold mountains and young fold mountains. Clear? ঠিক আছে? Now I am shifting to block mountains. Now, block mountains. আমি এর আগের দিন তোমাদের পিকচার দেখিয়েছিলাম. This is block mountain. দেখো, এর মাথার উপরটা টেবিল ল্যান্ডের মতন প্লেন. ওর জন্য this is a block mountain. Sometimes when tectonic plates push towards or pull away each other, massive cracks or faults appear. যদি এরকম করে একটা আরেকটার সঙ্গে লেগে যায় তখন কি হবে? They will fix. আর আরেকজন যদি একজনকে টানতে শুরু করে তাহলে কি হবে? একটা মাটি মাঝখানে একটা জায়গা ক্র্যাক করে লো হয়ে যাবে, নিচের দিকে নেমে যাবে. এই দেখো, এইটা হচ্ছে নেমে গেছে because they have pulled each other and this is risen or they are formed like a table because they have pushed each other. Clear? They are formed মানে যখন সরে যাচ্ছে they are forming cracks, gap, ফেটে যাচ্ছে. Those are called faults. Those are called faults and they appear on the surface of the earth. When a block of land between two such cracks get pushed up, দুটো ক্র্যাকের মাঝখানে ল্যান্ডটা যখন মাঝখান থেকে উঠে যায় উপর দিকে সেটাকে বলা হয় ব্লক মাউন্টেন্স. এই দেখো, দুটো ল্যান্ড ফর্মস সরে গেছে, মাঝখানের পার্টটা উঁচু হয়ে গেছে. These two are the landforms. ঠিক আছে, these two landforms they have pushed each other. টেকটনিক প্লেট সরে গেছে, ফলে কি হচ্ছে মাঝের পার্টটা রাইজেন আপ, পোস্ট আপ, ইন্টারনাল ফোর্সের জন্য উপর দিকে উঠে গেছে. And that is called block mountain. And this is way how block mountains are formed. এদের হর্স্ট বলা হয়. The other name of block mountain is horst. H-O-R-S-T. The portion, যে পোর্শনটা নিচের দিকে নেমে যাচ্ছে, the portion which is sinking down is called graben or rift valley. মানে this is the rift valley. This lower part is the rift valley. And this upper part is the block mountain. You can open in page number 135. There you can see this picture and then you will be able to understand it much more clearly. Okay, now last, volcanic mountains. Volcanic mountains are those mountains from where volcanic eruptions are taking place very frequently, like here. You see, this is a mouth of the mountain and volcanic eruption is coming out from here. That is the why it is called volcanic mountains, like Mount Fujiyama. Then any other example is not being given. Okay, Mount Kilimanjaro. Mount Kilimanjaro in East Africa, Mount Fujiyama in Japan. These are the volcanic mountains. Okay, the thing which is coming out from these mountains are the molten lava, gorom lava. These are coming out from these mountains. Now these are the three mountains. Now we will learn about what is the need of a mountain, what is the importance of a mountain. Some mountains have rivers of ice called glaciers. As they melt, glaciers give rise to streams and rivers. Mountains are required because some mountains are covered up with snow. And as the temperature rises up, these snow melts down and become water. And due to this water formation, many rivers, streams, lakes, they are formed. So we need water, and these water are essential for our lifestyle or life process, and that's why this mountain is, this is the first importance of mountain. Second, mountains stop the extreme cold winds to come inside India. And that's why India is having a moderate type of climate. Not too hot, not too cold. Clear? Third, they are the homes of rich variety of plants, which we can get resource like fuel, fodder, timber, herbs, fruits, and many other products. In mountains, we are getting varieties types of trees. From there, we are getting wood. We are getting fruits like apple. In Kashmir, we get apples, and then grapes, and then right now I don't remember anything else. So apples you are getting. So apple is a tree, apple is a fruit which is found in hilly areas, Jammu and Kashmir, Shimla. Acha, fourth point, they are the slopes of cultivating crop like tea and coffee. Tea and coffee need slopes for cultivation. And so mountains are required over there, because in plain land tea and coffee will not be planted. And finally, they bring up or they build up the beautiful scenic beauty of India. Saundarjo badiye tole. It clarifies, it dignifies the beauty of Indian weather or Indian atmosphere. Indian surrounding, rather, you can say. Understand you all? So, mountains we have completed. Now left is plains and plateaus. That I'll discuss in my next session. Okay? Thank you.